Welcome, today in front of me Cubot P50 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Now just to activate Wi-Fi we should click here once on this switcher, and now let's select one from these available networks. For example, I'll use this one. Now we should enter the password here, and if you want to see this password you should click once on this checkbox. For example, just to have some mistakes, I'll enter the password out of screen. Okay, and now just tap to connect. After that just wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to just use another network you can by the same way, select it, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you'll see these two networks here in said networks list. You can switch between them if you want. And just to turn on the Wi-Fi you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should open notification panel, and then we can see here the Wi-Fi, just as Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi we should click here once on this icon, and just to launch the Wi-Fi setting we should hold for a while this icon, and after that we can here select the network, enter the password and tap to connect, and that's it. Just to turn away the Wi-Fi we should click here on this icon once again, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.